Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Hey makers, in today's project, we're building a mini music player using Arduino and a speaker. It's a fun and easy DIY that plays melodies with just a few components. Let's jump right into it. Things you need: Arduino, breadboard, jumper wires, LED. Let's look at the circuit. Take your passive buzzer or small speaker and connect the positive pin to digital pin 8 on the Arduino. Connect the negative pin to GND. If you're using a small speaker instead of a buzzer, add a 100 ohm resistor between the speaker and pin 8 to prevent damage. That's all, no buttons or extra components needed. Just the Arduino and the buzzer, ready to play your melody using the tone function in code. The code starts by defining the melody notes and their durations using arrays. We use the built-in tone function to play each note on pin 8, one after the other. Each note is followed by a small delay to separate the sounds and control the rhythm. After all the notes are played, the loop repeats, creating a continuous melody. It's simple, clean, and a great way to make music with just a few lines of code. And there you go, your own DIY Arduino music player in under 5 minutes. If you like this project, drop a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy building!